हेलो बच्चों टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस वर्ड प्रॉब्लम related to linear equations in two variable. Now you are familiar with the elimination method, substitution method. You are also familiar with the cross multiplication method. Graph method was already discussed with you, and I hope आपने कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम भी उसकी सॉल्व करके देखी होंगी. आज हम लोग सिस्टमेटिक वे में एनसीईआरटी बुक के कुछ क्वेश्चंस करेंगे और कोशिश ये करेंगे कि उसमें जो वर्ड प्रॉब्लम है मैक्सिमम हम वर्ड प्रॉब्लम के साथ डील करें. ओके बच्चों, चलिए लेट यू ओपन योर एनसीईआरटी बुक. अगर आप नहीं रख के बैठे हैं पास में तो पहले वीडियो को पॉज करके एनसीईआरटी बुक ले आइए, क्योंकि वर्ड प्रॉब्लम हम पूरी नहीं लिखा पाएंगे, हम केवल यहाँ पढ़ेंगे और आपकी नजर में वो बुक होनी चाहिए. ओके, सो वी आर स्टार्टिंग and we are starting from exercise 3.2. okay, so let me come to one of the problem. It is question number 1 part number 2. Question number 1 part number 2. देखते हैं क्या है ये प्रॉब्लम. 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. Find the cost of one pencil and that of one pen, and we have to solve it graphically. चलिए देखते हैं. Let cost of one pencil be x and let cost of one pen be y. According to problem, they are saying 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50. Okay, if cost of one pencil is x, then what should be the cost of 5 pencils? Obviously, it should be 5x. I'm writing according to problem. ATP is non-adenosine triphosphate. Actually, it is according to problem. Okay, so according to problem, 5 pencils, obviously cost is 5x, and 7 pens, the cost of one pen is y, so cost of 7 pen must be 7y is equal to rupees 50. So it is the first equation. And now what should be the second equation? They are saying whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. 7 pencils means 7x. The cost of 7 pencils must be equal to 7x. Plus cost of 5 pens must be 5y. And together they cost rupees 46. And now we have to solve these problems graphically. You are very much familiar with the method. How can we solve them graphically? Again we are discussing it. Okay. First, we have to take one equation. We have to put several values of x, and then we have to find several values of y. We will do the same in equation number 2, and then we will plot the lines. Okay, let me take equation number 1. Equation number 1 implies 7y can be written as 50 minus 5x. Am I right? And that is why y can be written as 50 minus 5x over 7. That should be the value of y. Now I'll put different values of x and I'll try to find different values of y, corresponding value of y. We have to first make a table like this. Only 2 values are enough. First we will take x is equal to, yes, you have to take care. Choose the value of x if possible in such a manner so that 50 minus 5x becomes a multiple of 7. Then that problem will be easier to solve. Let me see how. First I'll take x is equal to 10. I'm taking x is equal to 10. Then what will be the value of y? 5, 50 minus 5 10 ja 50 upon 7, 0. because 0 upon 7 is 0. And now I'm taking x is equal to 3. 50 minus 5 into 3, 15 is 35, and 35 over 7 is 5. Is that clear? We have taken 2 points. We may choose few more points if possible for us. Now we take the second equation. According to second equation, we get 5y is equal to 46 minus 7x. And that is why y should be equal to 46 minus 7x over 5. That is the value of y here. Now we'll take different values of x. And we will try to find out different values of y. At least 2 equations are required. What should be the value of x here? If we take x is equal to 1, I think it is not suitable for us. If we take x is equal to 2, no. We take x is equal to 3. Now what happens? 7 3s are 21. 46 minus 21, it will be 25. And 25 over 5 is 5. Remember, answer is in front of you. Answer आपके सामने है अब. Okay, now you may take x is equal to 6. 7 6 of नहीं फायदा होगा. What we can take then 7 8 is 56. Yeah, you may take x as 8. Then what will be the value of y? 46 minus 7 8 is 56 minus 10 by 5 means minus 2. Though values cannot be negative. But we can plot the graph. Okay? Now we have to plot the graph using these two things. Okay, let me see how can we do that. Y minus 2, okay. Values of x are positive, no problem, up to 10. Okay, let me take smaller values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. नहीं काम नहीं चलेगा. So it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. These are the values of x. Now y, I want minus 1, minus 2, and the value of y is maximum 5, so it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. But you have to write a scale also. On x-axis, what you are taking? You are taking 1 is equal to rupees 2. And on y-axis, you are taking 1 and 1 unit is equal to 1. First point is 10, 0. 10, 0. It is the first point for equation number 1. Second is 3, 5. 3 and it is 5. Somewhere here. We join them. You have to do it with the help of a scale. And now second is 3, 5. The same point. And second one is 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. Yeah. And then you have to join these two also. You will get the same point as this. And then you will have x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. So according to graph, the intersecting point is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. So you can say the cost of x is pencil. The cost of one pencil is equal to rupees 3 and cost of one pen must be equal to rupees 5. So in this manner, you can plot the graph. I'm taking one more case, but I'll simply form the equation and you yourself have to find the values of y for corresponding values of x, and then you have to plot the graph. Okay bachcho, so we are taking one another problem. I'm just rubbing it. You may pause the video and then you can observe it. You should note it. Let me take to the second example of the book. Come to question number 5. It is half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimensions of the garden. We think let length of garden is x meter and let its breadth is equal to y meter. You are just assuming. Now they are saying half the perimeter. What should be half the perimeter? It should be x plus y, means length plus breadth. So first scenario is given as x plus y is equal to 36 meter. It is equation number 1. Just now we are assuming writing meter. Second is, they are saying length is 4 meter more than its width. Length is 4 meter more than its width. Or simply we can say x minus y is equal to 4. So in this manner we are finding two equations, x plus y is equal to 36 and x minus y is equal to 4. Now you have to find the value of y from 1. Similarly, you have to find the value of y from 2. Make the tables and try to find out the graph. Okay? And now we are coming to question number 7. Yes, it is an important one. Draw the graph of the equations x minus y is equal to 1 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. And then they are saying determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these three lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region. Remember my first video of this chapter? In that chapter, I have discussed about it. I told you what should you do if that type of problem comes in front of you. You must try for it. And in case, suppose you are feeling some problem in doing that, in the next video, I will discuss about it. Okay? You should basically write on the WhatsApp group if you feel any problem. Okay? और अगर कोई problem नहीं है तो कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं है. हम और आगे के methods पे चले जाएंगे. ठीक है? All the best बच्चों.